A.O. Smith faces a make-or-break moment in Q3 when we'll know if their China turnaround is actually working or if investors are about to get burned again. A.O. Smith, ticker AOS, dominates North American water heating with a 37% market share and generates over $1 billion in recurring replacement revenue annually. However, there's concern that China appears to be crushing them. Sales dropped 17% year-over-year in Q3 2024, and their rest-of-world margins collapsed by over 70%. They missed revenue expectations for consecutive quarters, with Q4 earnings coming in at 85 cents versus 89 cents expected. That's not just a miss, that's a pattern. When 25% of your business is getting hammered this hard, it creates serious headwinds for the entire company. However, here's something that could totally outweigh their China problem. North American commercial boiler volumes are exploding, up 10% year-over-year, driven by energy efficiency regulations forcing building upgrades. This isn't a temporary trend. Federal and state mandates are creating a multi-year replacement cycle worth billions. Plus, they're generating $500 to $550 million in free cash flow this year, funding a $400 million share buyback program. When 80% of water heaters need replacement eventually, you have a cash machine that keeps printing money. Plus, they're trading at just 19.6 times earnings versus their 5-year average of 25 times. That's a 25% discount to fair value. The new CEO is inheriting a company with only 12.7% net debt to capital ratio, giving him massive financial flexibility. They just opened a new R&D facility in Tennessee, specifically for high-efficiency products, positioning them perfectly for the electrification wave. And with $200 million in cash, they're primed for strategic acquisitions to expand their water treatment business. The key moment to watch is Q3 2025 earnings, when new CEO Steve Schaefer will outline his strategic vision. Will he accelerate the pivot away from China, double down on North American boiler growth, or surprise us with a major acquisition? That Q3 2025 earnings call will tell us everything about AOS's next chapter. Can't wait to find out. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on A.O. Smith? Want the complete research reports? Drop a comment below.